Hi there! So, the next day of Dance Secrets Challenge, and this is dance combo. Let's go! Okay, so let's learn this combination. One thing that you need to know that when I explain my students some choreographies, combinations, I always count. But for example, when I create my choreographies, I never count. So this is really interesting thing. But when you count, it helps you to have the rhythm to create some combinations. But during your performance, the best thing is follow the music. And when you create your choreography, it's always better to listen to the music and highlight some accents. So this combo without any specific accents, but anyway, I will teach now with counting. Let's go. We start with leg circle. During this leg circle, we do circle with left arm. So right leg and left arm. 1, 2, then only arm circles. 3, 4, and then we go down 5, 6, open, 7, fingers 8. After this, we open our arms to the right side and we turn to the diagonal, to the right diagonal. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then chest circle 5, slide 6, and 7, and 8, and hip drop. So one more time. It's short combo, but when you play with accents, when you play with speed, it's always much more interesting. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you can do some steps. I have not a lot of space here, that's why I don't do any steps, but the idea, to a circle and step. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go down 5, 6, open, then 7, cross, 8, fingers. Then open, we start with right. 1, then reverse arm modulation 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and hip drop, and then chest circle from right to the left, 5, 6, and then slide, then shoulder, 7 and 8, and again hip drop. And also you can add here body wave, shoulder, body wave, up your hip, and drop. Let's try with the music. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I invite you to my dance classes. My dance classes designed for different levels, from technique, combinations to creating choreography. So I will be happy to see you among my students.